Welcome back to my channel. So today, as you see in the title, we're going to talk about why you're bloated. We're going to talk about why you look pregnant. Why you look like you don't have a food baby. Why it looks like you have an actual baby in your belly. I have 3 tips to reduce or stop the bloat. Number 1, and this may be tedious, but it's to do a food elimination diet. What that means is you can take out one food item from your diet and see, after you've taken it out, if you are still bloating. And if your bloat stops, then that's how you know that that food, whichever one that you took out, is the one that caused it. So maybe you should limit it or just take it out completely. But that can be tedious. That can take, I don't know how long, because I didn't go that route. I actually went the second route that I'm about to mention right now, and that is to get a food sensitivity test. Now, I actually went on Groupon and bought a food sensitivity test, and they had one just for vegans too, which I was shocked about, but meh. But a food sensitivity test / intolerance test, and how that works is, or how mine worked is, I took strands of my hair, about 3 or 4 strands of my hair, and it can be hair from anywhere on your body. You don't have to pull your hair out. And I put it in a bag. I mailed it off to the lab where they will test it to see what foods that I'm sensitive, or what foods I have an intolerance for, and they will send me back an email of my level of intolerances to different types of food, or in my case, different types of vegan food, which is really like plant-based food, like vegetables or fruit or whatever. That's what I did. I'll be sharing the results here on YouTube. You should turn on the notification bell so you can find out when that video will actually drop. So they do all the hard work for you, or they use their time. You don't have to use your time to try to figure out by yourself. You have professionals who can tell you, test your strands of hair or whatever. You can either test your hair, or you can use blood. Like, you could prick your finger and drop blood onto a certain type of paper and send it off too. It works that way as well. And then you'll get a list of everything you're intolerant of. I would much rather do that, because say if I did the elimination process, which was option 1 here in the video, I could be missing some things, because there are other things, even environmentally. It's not all just food that could have an effect on your well-being. Number 3, option numero 3, that is to drink apple cider vinegar. Yes, but I would recommend that you drink it through a straw, because vinegar on your teeth, I don't know how I feel about that. I mean, I would drink it through a straw. I drink it through a straw. I've actually tried this. I just had like a cup of water, or a glass of water, put about, I did like a cap full. I just opened the bottle up, poured some in the cap that it came with, or maybe you could do a tablespoon if you want to measure it. But that was how I measured it. I poured it into the top, and then I poured it into my water and I drank it. But what I've noticed is that, yes, my bloating did go away. It did. What also went away was my sugar cravings. And I also noticed that once I started eating pasta, my sugar cravings would come back. I don't know if that would work for you. That's what happened for me. You can try it if you want to, but apple cider vinegar works. It'll take the bloat out. It'll take your food baby out. You won't look like you're pregnant anymore. So that's what I have for you. drink some apple cider vinegar, and get a food intolerance test done so you can save some time. Bye.